Hello everyone. This is Nishtha from class 8D and today we are going to make Baked Sandesh from West Bengal. The main ingredient in this dish is cottage cheese, which is an excellent source of calcium, a mineral that plays a major role in tooth and bone health and in the prevention of osteoporosis. Ghee is full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are good fats and are essential for improving the brain and heart health. Cardamom seeds and fruit could help improve oral health due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties.